Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Samsung S22 Plus Charger is probably one of the most crucial accessories you'll invest in, directly impacting your daily productivity and device longevity, because a subpar charger can not only slow down your essential recharges but also potentially harm your phone's battery over time, making it absolutely vital to choose a reliable, efficient, and safe power solution that keeps your premium smartphone ready for anything life throws its way without compromise. Number 5. MAILESI 25W Type-C Fast Charger Kit. Experience lightning-fast charging for your devices. It can power up to 80% in just 30 minutes, saving you over an hour compared to standard adapters. This charger offers universal compatibility, supporting a vast range of devices. From the latest iPhones to Samsung Galaxy models and other Type-C devices, it powers them all efficiently. Enjoy unparalleled flexibility with its extended 10-foot and 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cables. These provide ample reach, whether you're charging in bed, at your desk, or in your car. Your device's safety is paramount. This ETL-certified charger features a multi-button safety system, including overvoltage protection and a smart chip in the cable to ensure stable, safe charging. You receive a comprehensive package: 2 25W USB-C chargers and 2 durable USB-C to USB-C cables. Plus, it comes with an 18-month warranty and dedicated 24-hour customer support. What we like. This charger offers rapid 25W charging and comes with 2 extra long cables for convenience. If you need flexibility in charging locations and want to power up quickly, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for users who frequently charge from a distance or in various spots around the house. What people say. Number 4. VELOGK 25W PD/PPS USB-C Charger Kit. This kit is equipped with a max 25W PPS PD Type-C port on both its wall and car chargers. It's specifically designed for super fast charging your Samsung Galaxy devices and other compatible electronics. It also provides optimized charging for iPad Pro, iPad Air, and Google Pixel. With adaptive fast charging PPS technology, it perfectly supports 25W super fast charging for Samsung. It can charge a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra from 0% to full in just 1 hour and 10 minutes, saving you over an hour of charging time. This ensures your devices are ready when you are. Its dual-port super fast car charger delivers a total of 43W max power from 2 ports. You can charge 2 devices simultaneously without sacrificing speed, allowing everyone to stay powered up on the go. No more fighting for power on long trips. It includes 2 Type-C to C cables, braided with strong nylon material. These are 5 times more durable than standard cables, saving you money in the long run. They also support 3A high power output and data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. This combo kit features a built-in multi-protect system. It safeguards your device against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring ultra-safe use. We care for your devices and your peace of mind. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes both a wall and a car charger, making it ideal for charging on the go. Its dual-port car charger allows you to power multiple devices simultaneously without sacrificing speed. If you are a frequent traveler or need versatile charging options for both home and vehicle, this kit is designed for you. What people say. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy USB-C Quick Charge 3.0 Fast Charger Set. This versatile charger set is designed for a vast range of devices. It supports numerous Samsung Galaxy models, including S-Series, Note, A-Series, and Z Flip Fold, along with select LG and Moto phones. You can count on it to power up many of your essential gadgets. Experience incredible charging speeds with this adaptive fast charger. It can power your Samsung Galaxy S23 from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, which is 75% faster than standard chargers. You'll notice it charges your devices quicker than they drain, even during heavy use like gaming or video calls. Never run out of battery on the road with the dual-port car charger. It allows you to charge 2 smartphones simultaneously at full speed. The QC 3.0 port offers 4x faster charging, while the 2.4A port quickly powers other non-quick charge devices. Your device's safety is a top priority. This charger features built-in device detection to ensure optimal charging for each connected gadget. It also provides multi-protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, keeping your devices safe. The included 2-pack of 6-foot USB Type-C cables offers both ultra-fast charging and high-speed data transfer. Their strong braided nylon jacket and strain relief ensure long-term durability, withstanding over 10,000 plugs. These tangle-free cables provide extra convenience and freedom to charge anywhere. What we like. This set provides efficient Quick Charge 3.0 technology for both wall and car charging. The dual-port car adapter ensures you can charge 2 devices quickly while driving. If you prioritize fast charging across different environments and often have multiple devices needing power in your car, this option offers great value. What people say. No source reviews were provided to extract points. Cannot fulfill request without original content. Number 2. Sidpro 18W Adaptive Fast Charger Kit. Need power in a hurry? This charger delivers an incredible boost, getting your device to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's 4 times faster than traditional chargers, ensuring you're always ready to go. It's designed to work seamlessly with many of your favorite devices. From Samsung Galaxy S and Note series to various A models, this set has you covered. Your device's safety is paramount. This adapter is built with high-grade, fireproof materials and offers multiple protections against common charging hazards. Its intelligent circuit system maximizes efficiency while keeping your electronics safe. Not only does it charge your devices rapidly, but it also handles data transfer with impressive speed. You can sync your files at up to 480 megabits per second, making it a versatile 2-in-1 solution. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need. You'll receive 2 powerful 18W Quick Charge 3.0 wall chargers and 2 durable 6-foot Type-C cables, offering great value and convenience. It's specifically optimized for Quick Charge 3.0 enabled devices, delivering up to 18W of power. For non-QC devices, it functions as a reliable standard charger, adapting to your needs. What we like. This charger focuses on safe and efficient 18W Quick Charge 3.0 for your devices. It comes with robust safety features to protect against various electrical issues. If you are looking for a reliable and secure fast charging solution primarily for home use, this one provides peace of mind with its built-in protections. What people say. Number 1. 25W USB-C fast charger with 10-foot cable. Experience rapid power delivery for your devices. It can boost your battery from empty to full in about 60 minutes, significantly faster than standard options and saving you valuable time. It comes equipped with an extra-long 10-foot Type-C cable, offering user-friendly design and extended charging distance. This cable also supports fast data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. This versatile charger works with most USB-C devices, including a broad range of Samsung Galaxy models and newer iPhones. It's designed to power your essential gadgets efficiently. Built in with a premium multi-protect system and intelligent IC identification technology, it safeguards your devices. This protects against short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and overcharging issues. The package includes 2 chargers, allowing you to power 2 devices simultaneously. With its 100 to 240 volt input, it's ideal for worldwide travel, keeping you and your partner connected. You receive 2 25W super fast chargers and 2 10-foot USB-C charging cables. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for efficient and safe power delivery. What we like. This charger delivers powerful 25W PD 3.0 super fast charging, getting your device to 100% in about an hour. It includes an extra-long 10-foot cable, providing ample reach for any charging situation. If you need the fastest possible charge and appreciate the freedom of a very long cable, this is an excellent choice for maximum convenience. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.